Workout routines for beginners. Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Are you new to the world of fitness and looking for the best workout routines to kickstart your journey? Look no further. Starting a workout routine can be intimidating, especially for beginners. With so many different exercises and training methods out there, it can be overwhelming to figure out where to begin. So let's dive into the world of workout routines for beginners and get you on track towards a healthier and stronger you. Before moving forward, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for future interesting videos. Understanding the basics of workout routines. Whether you are just starting your fitness journey or getting back into shape after a long break, understanding the basics of workout routines is essential. First and foremost, it's important to understand that consistency is key. Regular exercise is crucial for seeing progress and achieving the desired results. Consistency builds habits and helps your body adapt to the demands of physical activity. Aim for at least 3 to 4 workouts per week, allowing your body enough time to recover and rest between sessions. Another important aspect to consider is finding a workout routine that suits your goals and preferences. Are you looking to lose weight, gain muscle, or improve your overall fitness level? Identifying your specific goals will help you tailor your workout routine accordingly. When designing your workout routine, it's important to incorporate both cardiovascular exercises and strength training. Cardiovascular exercises, such as running, cycling, or swimming, help improve your heart health and burn calories. Strength training exercises, on the other hand, help build lean muscle mass and increase your metabolism. Lastly, it's crucial to listen to your body and progress at a pace that feels comfortable for you. It's normal to experience muscle soreness when starting a new routine, but if you feel pain or discomfort that is beyond normal muscle soreness, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional. Top 5 recommended workout routines for beginners. Are you ready to jump into some exciting workout routines? 1. Full body circuit training. This workout routine is perfect for beginners as it targets all major muscle groups and provides a total body workout. It helps improve cardiovascular fitness, build strength, and burn calories. You can incorporate exercises like squats, push-ups, lunges, and planks into your circuit. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps for each exercise. 2. Height, high-intensity interval training. Height workouts are great for beginners who want to burn fat and improve cardiovascular endurance. This type of training is effective for increasing metabolism and burning calories even after the workout is over. You can try exercises like jumping jacks, mountain climbers, burpees, and high knees. Start with shorter intervals of high intensity, like 20 seconds, and gradually increase the duration as your fitness level improves. 3. Yoga. Yoga is a fantastic workout routine for beginners who want to improve flexibility, balance, and overall well-being. It not only helps strengthen and tone muscles, but also promotes relaxation and stress reduction. Remember to start with beginner-friendly poses and gradually advance to more challenging ones. 4. Bodyweight exercises. If you prefer working out at home or don't have access to gym equipment, bodyweight exercises are perfect for you. They require no equipment and can be done anywhere, anytime. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps for each exercise, and don't forget to listen to your body and take breaks when needed. 5. Walking/running. Walking or running is a simple yet effective workout routine for beginners. It improves cardiovascular fitness, strengthens leg muscles, and helps burn calories. Start with a brisk walk for 30 minutes and gradually increase your pace and duration. If you want to challenge yourself further, you can try incorporating intervals of jogging or running into your routine. Benefits and effectiveness of these routines. When it comes to workout routines for beginners, the benefits and effectiveness of these routines cannot be overstated. So what are some of the benefits you can expect from these routines? First and foremost, these workout routines are highly effective at improving overall fitness levels. Whether you choose to do full-body circuit training, height, yoga, bodyweight exercises, or walking/running, each routine targets different aspects of fitness. Full-body circuit training, for example, helps build strength and endurance while also improving cardiovascular fitness. Height workouts are great for burning fat and improving cardiovascular endurance. Yoga improves flexibility, balance, and relaxation. Bodyweight exercises build strength and endurance without the need for equipment. Walking or running helps improve cardiovascular fitness and burn calories. Your fitness level and progress as you become stronger and more experienced. For beginners, it's important to start with lighter weights, shorter intervals, and less intense exercises. Additionally, these workout routines are time efficient, making them perfect for beginners who may have busy schedules. Full body circuit training, height and bodyweight exercises can all be done in as little as 30 minutes, allowing you to squeeze in a quick and effective workout whenever you have some free time. Yoga and walking/running can also be easily incorporated into your daily routine without requiring a lot of time or equipment. Safety tips and precautions to consider. When starting a workout routine, it's important to prioritize safety to prevent injuries and ensure a positive fitness experience. Here are some safety tips and precautions to consider as a beginner. 1. Warm up and cool down. Before diving into your workout, take a few minutes to warm up your muscles and prepare your body for physical activity. This can be as simple as marching in place or doing some dynamic stretches. Similarly, cooling down with static stretches and gentle movements after your workout can help prevent muscle stiffness and improve flexibility. 2. Use proper form. Proper form is crucial to avoid injury and get the most out of your exercises. Take the time to learn and understand the correct technique for each exercise you perform. This might involve watching tutorial videos or working with a personal trainer. Remember to engage the appropriate muscles, maintain good posture, and avoid jerking or swingy motions. 3. Start slow and progress gradually. It's important to listen to your body and start at a level that feels comfortable for you. Don't push yourself too hard right from the beginning. Gradually increase the intensity, duration, or weight as your fitness level improves. This allows your body to adapt and reduces the risk of overexertion or strain. 4. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after your workouts to stay hydrated. Proper hydration helps maintain optimal performance, prevents cramping, and aids in muscle recovery. Keep a water bottle nearby and sip on water regularly throughout your workout. 5. Dress appropriately. Wear comfortable and breathable clothing that allows for a full range of motion. Choose appropriate footwear that provides stability and support for your activities. Avoid wearing restrictive or overly loose clothing. 6. Listen to your body. Pay attention to any pain or discomfort during your workouts. It's normal to feel some muscle soreness, especially when starting a new routine. And consult with a healthcare professional. Creating a sustainable workout routine. Creating a sustainable workout routine is key to long-term success on your fitness journey that not only helps you achieve your goals, but also fits into your lifestyle and is enjoyable. Here are some tips to help you create a sustainable workout routine. 1. Set realistic goals. When designing your workout routine, set goals that are achievable and realistic. Unrealistic expectations or trying to do too much too soon. Start with small, attainable goals. 2. Find activities you enjoy. Incorporate activities into your routine that you genuinely enjoy. Whether it's dancing, hiking, swimming, or playing a sport, find something that makes you excited to work out. 3. Schedule your workouts. Treat your workouts like appointments. Choose specific days and times that work best for you and make them non-negotiable. Consistency is key when it comes to building a sustainable routine, so prioritize your workouts. 4. Mix it up. Avoid getting bored or plateauing by incorporating variety into your routine. Cardio, yoga, or outdoor activities. This not only keeps things interesting and prevents your body from adapting too much to one type of exercise. 5. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body feels and adjust your workouts accordingly. If you're feeling tired or sore, it's okay to take a rest day or do a lighter workout. 6. Celebrate your progress. Take the time to acknowledge and celebrate your progress along the way, whether it's reaching a weight loss milestone. By following these tips, you can create a sustainable workout routine If you enjoyed from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.